Okay, class, let's take a look at this switch plate drawing. I want to explain just a couple of things here. Note that when you start this drawing, the lower left-hand corner of this box starts at 0, 0. Okay? You need to read the dimensions to find out the locations of things and the size. So for instance, if I look at this, it says from this corner to this corner, I've got an extension line and it tells me that I'm measuring from there to there. The distance is 10. Okay? Just like on this vertical line here, when I look from this corner, I have an extension line to this one, my distance is 7. Okay? So if you went to line command and specify first corner point, make sure you're starting at 0, 0 because that's the location where everything needs to start from. And at this point here, you could use absolutes, you could use relatives, you could use polar tracking. Just make sure you're making a box that's going to be 10 by 7. Okay? All these items inside, you're going to have to refer to the chart down here. So for example, circle A. Circle A, remember that circle with a slash through it, is diameter 0.75, just like this next one is diameter 1.5. And the C boxes here, it says the height is 0.5 and the width is 1.5. 1 SQ. SQ means square, so the D boxes are 1 by 1. Alright, and these E polygons, okay, note that the radius is 0.7 and they're inscribed and the center point is given with coordinates. Okay, let's take a look just at these C boxes. I would put these in with rectangle command, and if you do that, go to rectangle command, and when it says specify first corner point, I would have to read the dimensions to find how do I get here for this first corner point. Okay, I'm just going to type it in as an absolute, and I know that reading from 0, 0, in the X direction I'm going 1.25, comma, and in the Y direction I'm going 2, and then enter. Alright, that gets me down in that lower left hand corner, but I got to tell it how to get over here and how far this is, right? Now I would use relative, so you could say @ sign from this point in this direction, in the X direction. My chart tells me that that width is 1.5, comma, now I'm here and I want to get up to that corner. The height is 0.5 in the Y direction, so I'll just type in 0.5 and enter. Alright, same thing for all the other ones. Just read the distance, okay, and then start with your X and your Y's. Alright, I hope that helps you out with this assignment.